If your ice cream maker's been collecting dust, you're missing out on summer's sweetest treat. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Easy peasy, right? In a large bowl, mix the cream, milk, sugar, and salt. Stir it up real good until the sugar's dissolved. Then add that delightful vanilla extract. Now, if you've got an ice cream maker, pour your mixture in and churn according to your machine's instructions. No machine? No problem. Just pour the mix into a shallow dish, pop it in the freezer, and stir it every 30 minutes for about 3 hours. Once it's nice and frozen, scoop it out and enjoy. Top with your favorite goodies, sprinkles, chocolate chips, or a drizzle of caramel. There you have it, folks. Homemade ice cream that'll impress your friends and cool you down. Remember, it's not just about the ice cream. It's about the memories you make while churning it up. So go on now, give it a whirl and treat yourself to a little scoop of happiness. Thanks for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more sweet DIY treats. Bye now.